This machine adopts automatic cup feeding and automatic cup stacking equipment. Cup stacking is more accurate. All adjustments are placed outside. Make various operations more user-friendly. Possess an accurate in temperature and quantity control system. And the no cup, no print operating system. The application of corona treatment makes the printing process more scientific. Have an efficient UV curing system. Make the ink dry faster and stronger. Use the most advanced monitor for PLC, electronic control, and digital display function system. Make the machine operation conversion more efficient. Printing speed 400 PCS or min. Printing color group number 8 colors.